Okay guys, well, I ran the carpet scrubber over this floor, this carpet, and my floor mats, well, rugs. You can see the rugs are still damp. These rugs are going to take a little bit longer to dry out. But those are been washed, so those should hopefully come pretty clean. There's a few stains. See one dark stain there that's not going to come out. But, oh well. But yeah, this has all been cleaned. Some dirt is on. I know there's some spots that won't come out, like these rust stains. And this won't come out. Where I had a grinder sitting once that kind of left some rust marks and burn marks in the carpet. But go ahead and recline the machine back far enough. Take a look at this dirt. Look at that. That's nasty. That's all from in here. This is only the second time or second area this machine has ever been used on. It's pretty good. The exact model number, if you're wondering, is right there. FH50130. Bought this for like 80 bucks at Home Depot a while ago back. So yeah guys, I'll give you the rest of the video tomorrow once this dries out. Anyways guys, here's what the carpet looks like later in the day. This is quite late into the day, but carpet looks a lot better, you know, minus the stain of, like I said, the rust and so on. That's like straight up metal melted in, so that's not going to come up, but looks better, that's for sure. And this ain't stained forever, but the big difference are these rugs. A good majority of the staining came out. They look a lot better. You could tell where it curls up, where it didn't get washed. So you could tell it made a difference, that's for sure. So, anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed.